Good morning, student. Today's our topic or discussion is population growth. Simply, it is the change in the number of people living in a particular area over a specified period of time, say about 10 years. It is always expressed in percentage. Now, in our next slide, I will discuss about the ill effects of population growth. Here I am presenting four important points. First one is depletion of forest resource. I am telling you something about this point or against this point. Each year 1.6 to 20 million hectares of rainforest are lost due to overpopulation in the world. Next, food shortage and health deterioration. These 2 points also very important. Food shortage means uneven distribution of food. More than 80 crore people do not have enough to eat. On the other hand, health deterioration, polluted air and water presenting in a great danger to health of people and also in animals. I am giving one example. Examples are lung cancer or pollutants do not remain confined within any limits or boundaries. Next, migration. See, in any area where overpopulation seen, then here environment also in a danger condition or deteriorated condition. So on this place, people are moved from those areas where fresh air or pollution is less. They are moved from this place to another place. So migration is another ill effect of population growth. Next, very much important point is global warming. This global warming causes flooding, then species extinction, crop damage. The average global temperature is about 0.5 degrees centigrade warmer than it was 100 years ago. Burning of fossil fuels lead to an increased amount of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, leading to a global warming. Last point is social unrest. Obviously, if any area population growth is high, then social conflict is also another important point. So this point come under social unrest. The last point is land degradation. I am giving one example, then you understand this point better way. In Africa, 30% of farmland is degraded. In Asia, this ratio is 27%. And in Latin America, 18% land is degraded. See, this is the some problems which was arises due to ill effects of population growth. Now finally we come conclusion. Due to population growth, rapid population growth, many countries adopt different measures to control this growth. In China, we see one child policy. So another country adopt another measures. So they are adopt different measures who have high population in their country to control population growth. Next is declining population. This is another important point. Too much declining in population is also a matter of concern. It leads to shortage of manpower to utilize the available resources. I am giving some steps that are taken the countries who have declining population. No restrictions or little on inward immigrations. One important point. There are one important steps they taken. Next, care of children, states' responsibility for their education and care, and increase in wages. Thank you.